Hey, what's up guys? It's Dylan Bellamy here to do my video on the finals project. Hope everyone's final went well for them. It's very stressful for me to do though. As you will see when you look over, I done my final project over the comparison of the casino games, blackjack and roulette. Me and myself, the hypothesis I chose was that blackjack would be more popular of a casino game than roulette. Made that solely off just myself. I've played both games, not in a casino, as I'm not 21, but I've enjoyed playing blackjack with just family and stuff a lot more than we've ever played roulette. So I'd imagine the people that I'd done the interview with would kind of think the same. Obviously, the alternative was they'd like roulette better, but I posted a Facebook poll, and it got the views of a few people. I got 56 people to actually partake in the poll, and they got a lot of information. I got a lot of information from that. They helped me realize that my hypothesis was actually correct, and this is how. This is the Excel sheet that I made that helped me carry out my hypothesis and figure it out. Basically, over here, I put each person that partook in the poll, which there was a total of 56. The little key is basically the ones are the people who preferred to play blackjack compared to roulette, and the two is who not preferred to. So obviously the opposite would be if they preferred blackjack, then they wouldn't have preferred roulette, so on and so forth. And at the end of my information, I come to find out of the 56 people that blackjack was preferred out of six voters. Out of all the people, had 6 more votes than roulette. The mean for the data, as I used 1s and 2s, it was kind of confusing for me to find, but from what I did find was that it was 1.44, as you all can see. I used the calculations just from the auto sum and using Excel. The median and mode, again, it was kind of confusing with the 1s and 2s, but they both just came out to be 1. The standard deviation, however, was probably the most confusing thing to find, but luckily I was able to go to auto sum more functions, and in the category I was able to find statisticals, and I was able to scroll down and find the standard deviation of my poll, which was very helpful, very convenient for me to have, as it gave me a lot of information very quickly. There it is. So this is really how I carried out my project. I used Excel. Dr. Worth taught me a lot in Excel earlier on in the semester, and I was able to use that knowledge here for my final project, so that was very beneficial. So to conclude my finals project in stats and conclude the video, obviously, I might as well conclude the project, and doing that by, well, rounding off everything. My hypothesis was that blackjack would be the more preferred game over roulette. Took 56 people to find that out. I was able to find most of my data, as you all seen, through Excel. I was able to find out all my formulas and standard deviation, mean, median, and mode. To conclude, though, my confidence level was like 95%. Obviously, the confidence interval was 1.45. All this comes to conclude that blackjack was more preferred out of the people I was able to get to survey, and it was quite the help having them, as obviously I wouldn't have been able to do it without them. But it backed my hypothesis of that blackjack would be a more popular game, and it was. All the formulas, all the people have spoken, and it directs confidently that blackjack was the more preferred game. So that's about it for my finals project. I hope everyone done good on theirs. I hope that I'll do good in mine. But it's been an enjoyment having the class with everyone, and best of luck for the rest of the semester.